Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a My Paper box. I really enjoy this subscription box. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the My Paper Box Mini. In this you will receive 3 personalized notebooks every month for $10 a month. Now you can choose, there are different plans that you can choose from. So you can choose month to month, which is $10 a month. You can choose 3-month prepay, which is $29 for 3 months, or 6 months for $56, or 12 months for $110. So let's get into this. You can have it personalized. I'm looking for my scissors. You can have it personalized with whatever you'd like. I like to have my name. I think that's awesome, my channel name. You can also, when you subscribe, you can add a notebook or something to your order. They have an online store with lots of cute notebooks and different things. They also have a grand box, which is notebooks along with like cards and a little bit of stationery, always a little calendar, that kind of thing. And they also have a children's box, so that's one you should also check out. That one is really cute. Okay, let's see what's in here. I love how it comes all packaged and ready to go. It looks so cute. Okay, so this is May 2019. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of our family. We are looking to the future this month with our holographic inspiration. May you and your future self have a fun and colorful month. That's awesome. That's cute. Okay, these are really cool. These are so awesome. Look. Okay, so it's nice and neat in here, and they are online and on Facebook and Instagram. So when you get your box, tag them in your post. Let me open this. Oh, I love these. Okay, so look at this. Look at these. So we have a holographic notepad with Life with Favor on it. Then we have a little bit bigger of one without lines. And then we have this one with lines. Oh, these are really cool. I really like these. So I always have one of these in my purse, one in my kitchen to take notes on or make a grocery list. And I bring them when I travel. So we cruise a lot. And I like that my name is on these and the channel name and that kind of thing. And I leave notes for our room steward or for our dining wait staff or for anyone who's done something in particularly kind for us on the ship. You can leave a note and enclose your tip or whatever the case may be and fold it up and leave it for them or hand it to them. And it's really nice. And this way they have your name on it. So, you know, they always know where it came from. And I just absolutely love that. I love the holographic on this. That is so interesting, and it's on the paper. That's just really interesting. I really like that. So, and these are quite substantial notepads. You know, there's not 5 pieces of paper here. There's several. Oh, I really love this. I really love this. Yeah, 10 bucks. There you go. I don't know anywhere you could go to get personalization for 10 bucks. So, because I have actually looked into it. So I sincerely appreciate this. And I like that you get a different one each month. So lots of fun. All right, so that's it. So I will leave everything in the description box below, including a little code for you to get a little few dollars off your first box, your first grand box. So that's awesome. So go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.